Okay, now let's talk about our second fermentation, aka the flavoring and carbonation. One time a day for 9 days, I burp my kombucha after I've bottled and flavored it, like this. I literally just open it really quick and then shut it again, just to let a little bit of the air out. And I do that every day for 9 days. Once the kombuchas reach the carbonation that I like I said, about 9 days, I grab my strainer. This is a strainer that's actually used for loose leaf tea, and whatever glass jar I want to use that day. Today it was on the border, and I just get those ready. You see, I like it that the strainer fits right on top so it can't fall through this glass jar. Then I literally just pour the kombucha into the strainer to the glass jar. Be careful because sometimes they're super carbonated and you don't want it to explode and fizzle out over the edge like this. Once I've got the fruit and the SCOBY floaties out, I just pour it right back in the same jar I poured it out of, and then I will tighten the lid and put it in the fridge. When I say SCOBY floaties, this is what I'm talking about. During your second fermentation, your kombucha will literally form a mini SCOBYs at the top, if you can see right here. And that's totally natural and normal. So don't worry about it. That's literally though why I choose to put mine through a strainer. Some people drink it and I think that's fine too. Whatever works for you. Last but not least, we have my personal favorite gingerade. And if you can see, it barely fits in this jar. I cut it really close. Here is that SCOBY that I was talking about in the peppercorns. That's what I'm straining out mostly. I don't like to drink it, but look how good and refreshing this flavor looks. I wish you could smell it. Because I made it so full, I'm actually just going to leave it in this on the border bottle because I'm going to drink it soon. Tighten it up, and we did it, guys.